What is going on, my friend? This is the final video of day 2 of your Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint course. In this video I'm going to be covering how to define your personal brand positioning online, and it's going to be super value packed. It's not going to take too long. We've got very potent ideas to share with you in this video, and you're going to want to take notes and keep up, my friend, okay? So this is, like I said, how to define your personal brand positioning online, and it's really important, okay? While being online, if you do what everybody else is doing, you're going to get what everybody else is going to get. So you want to stand out and be different, okay, my friend? And be your own personal brand. Now, for most people in the red ocean, it's really risky just copying what everybody else is doing. Probably going to get little to no results. And what we want to do is we want to establish your groundwork for your own personal brand. And this is what I'm going to show you here with the 10 steps to your personal brand. And number 1 is clarifying your message, okay? And this is your mission statement. So, for example, your mission statement, let's say that you're going to be in the sub niche, in the micro niche of helping businesses grow their sales through videos. So, your mission statement could be, I'm such and such. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 business owners grow their sales through videos. Okay, and that could be as simple as that for your mission statement. But you want to get clear on your message and what it is you want to achieve. Basically, what we all covered in the previous videos was going to help you clarify your message. And your message should sound like this. Should be, your name is on a mission to fill in the blank, your sub niche, whatever that is. If it's help post-pregnant ladies lose belly fat through yoga, it's that. If it's help businesses grow their sales through videos, it could be that. If it's, for example, helping students and working class people get a great education without taking out loans, it could be that. So basically it's going to be you, your name is on a mission to fill in the blank, your micro niche, the problem that you're going to solve. I'm on a mission to help so many people do this here, okay? And you want to get clear on your mission statement, okay? And it should sound something like, my name's Cameron, I'm on a mission to help 100,000 students create freedom using a limitless lifestyle business. Get clear on your message, and this is the message that you're going to be propagating out into the marketplace, okay? Now, the second thing is to invest in a photo shoot, okay? And it's going to connect with your core flavour and bring out your personality. Okay, it's going to be like you nicely dressed and looking great. And great first impression is always really important. That was a mistake that I made at the start. I didn't really invest in a photo shoot, and I was just trying to use photos from here and there. And really, today, I am going to invest in a photo shoot. And you're going to see all these new photos coming onto the website, things like this here. So it's really important for your personal brand to get off on the right foot. Invest in a photo shoot that's going to bring out you in the best way possible online. Okay. Number 3 is creating your own name logo. And really you want to keep it like today's like day and age. You don't want to have like a messed up looking logo. Just keep it really simple. Someone can really identify it with your brand logo. Okay. And you could go and get a logo created at 99designs.co.uk. Might be a little bit more expensive, but you're going to get some good quality work there. And with 99 Designs, once you put out your bid, so you're going to pay maybe $80, £80 for someone to create your logo. Loads of people will create your logo, and then you can sift through and you can pick the top 10 that you like out of all the logos that are submitted. Then out of the top 10, you can get all them 10 people to redo you another logo. And then they can be in competition with each other, and then you just pick the best one and then pay that person for the logo. Another option could be on Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. You can get a logo made for like $5, and you can go ahead and start and make your own personal branded logo that's going to be on your website, on your market materials. People are going to recognize that logo. Okay. Number 4 step is setting up your own blog, okay? And you're going to want to go ahead and get yourself yourname.com or whatever you want to call it, but you're going to get your own personal branded blog, okay? And all you have to do there is, I'm going to show you inside the Fast Implementation Bootcamp how you get that domain, how do you set everything up. But you're going to want to have your own personal branded blog. Then number 5 is you want to power up your social media profiles. So you want to find what your personal branded blog is going to be. If it's going to be, for my example, it's CameronLimitless.com. You're going to want to create your social media profiles on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and your Facebook page. Okay, and make sure it's all congruent. So if someone's like, oh, they find you on Google, and then they say, okay, then they search you on YouTube, they can find you on YouTube. Or if they're looking on Facebook, oh, who's this person? They look you on Facebook, boom, there you are. So you want to power up your social media platforms. Okay, number 6 is you want to define your funnel. And tomorrow, that's what we're going to get into. We're going to define your funnel, okay? Whether it's going to be webinars, ebooks, offers, your products, services. You want to define your funnel, my friend, okay? And then number 7 is grow your influence. And you want to publish quality content regularly. So you want to have a content strategy, and you want to publish quality content regularly. And this is going to build your influence in the marketplace, okay? Number 8 is be part of a community, and that's what you're doing here. I give you access to me, and we can get together and we can jump on calls and things like that there. And you want to implement the mastermind principle, okay? And get around like-minded people who we can share ideas together, help you grow your business. And almost like when you think about the mastermind principle, if you're just sitting, basically the mastermind principle, we're implementing it here in this course. Because if you're just sitting on YouTube, maybe looking at videos, you might have an idea. Here I'm giving you a path. Now, here as well, this is like a mastermind. So when you're hanging about here, I'm sharing these ideas with you. You're getting new ideas that you wouldn't have had if we weren't having this conversation. So the mastermind principle, you want to keep that in mind for part 8 and hanging around like-minded people. Number 9 is you want to analyze your results and track every aspect of your business. Scale up what works and stop what doesn't. Okay, and this is how you're going to grow your business. And then number 10 is persistence. Okay, work hard, be patient, and consistency is key, especially when it comes to your building your influence. Okay, consistency in your content creation is going to build your influence, and it's going to compound over time. Okay, because the work you do today, then tomorrow's work is going to be a stepping stone on top of that, and then the work you do the next day is going to be a stepping stone on top of that. This is something different that what we do compared to other programs and things like that there, especially when we're building our own thing. If we were just promoting affiliate product, for example, creating reviews of affiliate products, and then that affiliate product disappears, you kind of have to start from scratch again. What we're doing here, we never have to start from scratch, basically. And really, these were the 10 steps to creating your own personal brand, my friend. And I hope you got loads of notes. In the next video, tomorrow, we're going to be going into the elements of a top money-making digital sales funnel. And I hope you got these ideas. I hope you're going to do all these action steps. It was a lot to cover. Take your time. You don't have to rush. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.